Ever thought about starting your own garden but felt overwhelmed by where to begin? Well, today we're diving into the world of homegrown greenery, specifically highlighting 5 plants that are simple to cultivate for novices. Fear not, we're here to guide you with a list of 5 easy-to-grow plants perfect for beginners. First on our list are the sunny and cheerful sunflowers. These beauties are easy to grow, requiring full sun and well-draining soil. From seed to bloom, it takes just about 3 months. With their vibrant hues, sunflowers can definitely add a pop of color and joy to your fledgling garden. Second up, we have the beautiful and hardy marigolds. These vibrant flowers are pest-resistant powerhouses, blooming generously from spring until frost. They love well-drained soil and full sun exposure. Marigolds are not just pretty faces, they are tough and can help protect other plants in your garden too. Next, let's talk about the fragrant and versatile basil. This easy-to-grow herb thrives in sunny conditions and well-drained soil. It's perfect for a beginner's garden and can be used in countless culinary dishes. Basil not only adds a fresh aroma to your garden, but also provides you with a handy ingredient for your kitchen. Fourth on our list is the refreshing and fast-growing mint. Known for its invigorating scent, mint proliferates at a remarkable pace. It thrives in moist soil and requires moderate watering. Mint is a real powerhouse, growing quickly and offering a refreshing touch to your drinks and dishes. Last but not least, we have the delicious and rewarding tomatoes. There's a unique joy in nurturing your own food, and tomatoes with their varied types offer just that. From beefsteak to cherry, each requires simple care for fruitful yields. Growing your own tomatoes can be incredibly satisfying, and they can be a great addition to your home-cooked meals. And there you have it, 5 easy-to-grow plants perfect for beginners. We've explored the sunny disposition of sunflowers, the vibrant marigolds, the versatile basil, the refreshing mint, and the ever-popular tomatoes. Each of these plants are a great starting point for your gardening journey. So why wait? Roll up your sleeves, dig into the soil, and let the magic of nature unfold. Remember, every gardener was once a beginner. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.